Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Cardano, ADA, from Kraken to Crypto.com in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process might have some updates, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make it super easy and secure. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings or just switch platforms, this tutorial will save you time and hassle. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need an active account on both Kraken and Crypto.com, some ADA in your Kraken wallet, and a reliable internet connection. Oh, and always double-check for any platform-specific updates in 2025. Things like fees or interfaces could change. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Accounts, section and select your Cardano, ADA, balance. Next, look for the Withdraw option. It's usually right there for quick access. Step 2. In the withdrawal page, choose Cardano, ADA, from the list of assets. Now, you'll need to enter the wallet address from your Crypto.com account. To get that, open your Crypto.com app or website, go to your wallet, and copy the ADA deposit address. Pro tip. Always verify this address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 3. Enter the amount of ADA you want to transfer. Kraken will show you any network fees up front, so keep an eye on those. They can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow any two-factor authentication steps for added security. After that, sit back and wait. Transfers on the Cardano network are typically fast, taking anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once it's done, head back to Crypto.com and check your wallet to confirm the ADA has arrived. A quick word of caution. In 2025, be mindful of potential regulatory changes or platform updates that might affect transfers. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and never share your private keys. There you have it. You're all set. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.